Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can send one-time video or voice message from your WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra or any other version of Samsung phone. So go to your WhatsApp. Here we go. For example, go to anybody want to send message, and here slide up. So the message is recording is only one time, so person will listen only one time this message, and after that it will disappear. I hit for send, so message is gone. So the person will listen only one time this message. After that he will not find any more. So this is the way you can send one-time message via your WhatsApp Messenger. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.